we're back at another video. I hope you could see this goodly. Look at the shadow because I put it white and the background's white. So let's do this puzzle box. I'm gonna add some stuff. I gotta do some stuff, and I'm gonna sort out my YouTube channel. Well, maybe I could. This is my puzzle box. It's the biggest puzzle box ever. It's big. It's a puzzle box. Okay, so first, just like my first puzzle box video, once I get my hands in, it's all blurry. Okay, now, you obviously see this is a tool. Now it looks ugly with white. So it's a little hole here. You see that? And look at the back here. When I push this in, well, gotta flip it upside down and do it. You're not allowed to look here. So look at the back. Yep, that pushes out. And now the bottom part right there goes down some more. And now you can't use this for anything. That's a waste. Now what do? Push it back in. Hey, that's good. Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do next. Push this back in. And I just noticed, this slides. And now, hey, these are different. Now you could slide those. Ta-da! And now, look, you get this. What do you do with that now? If you just push that in here, it doesn't even fit. Even worse in here. Duh, I just wasted that piece. And now you could slide it. You could put this back there, but now you want to just try and look if it's any spots that you could push here. Well, I'll see. I'm just hoping my finger's not in the way, so I'm gonna just make a little creation, and that will make my finger not be in the way. Okay, I made my little creation. It's kind of hard to push, but when you check this out now. I hope my hand's not in the way. It's easier when you put it back like that. It's easier. Now I'm gonna try and find. Look at this. It's kind of cool when you push it and it goes out of the back. We could do stuff with the bigger one now. Okay, so now let's put it in here. Wow, nothing. Look around. This one, can we try? Hey, I think we're getting on something. Look, it's the last one here. I know that one won't work. I think we gotta use both of them now. Hey, no, we don't. I just noticed this before, this was blocking it from pushing out. So now we could push this in. And now the money slides out. Just need to do it upside down. Now look, nothing's there. We get the money. This would be $200. What a waste. We get the money, 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 money. I hope you liked today's video. Subscribe. Okay, I hope you subscribe. I hope you subscribe and leave a like on today's video. And it's going off now.